In this video, I will show you step by step how you can stream to multiple platforms on Streamlabs. So what we need to do first of all is open up Streamlabs here, and then you need to go to the bottom left hand corner and then click on the settings icon. Now from here, you will be on general, and then we need to go down and click on video. And what we can now do is click on enable dual output. Once you do this, as you can see, it will then change, and if you want to, you can select the vertical and horizontal one. So if you want to stream to Twitch or YouTube, you can do that, and you can also stream to Instagram or TikTok at the same time. Now you need to make sure that you are logged in to both of those different platforms to be able to stream to them, but that's essentially how you enable it right here, and you can change the settings within this. If you want to go vertical, you can click on this, or horizontal, you can go ahead, click on 920 by 1080. Vertical is the opposite, and then that's how you can go ahead and set it up, guys. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.